was it like you dropped your resume to the 15 places, all middle market and bulge bracket banks? And so do you remember like around what the fall off or the numbers or the conversion numbers were to actual first round interview?
That's a good question. I don't remember.
Roughly, like, was it 20? Yeah.
I would probably say that I probably dropped, like I probably networked and put resumes out there for roughly 10 places, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
And I probably had, I don't know, seven interviews, something like that.
Pretty good conversion. And then from those, obviously JP Morgan was one. Was it other bulge brackets, other middle markets? And then how many offers did you end up with for internships, or did you just take the first one and drop the process? What was the?
Good question. So I think I did all 7 interviews. I think I ended up with probably 4 or 5 offers, definitely 4. And I would say I did a little bit of interviewing in New York, but mostly was in Chicago.
Mm-hmm.
So I focused more on Chicago than I did on bulge bracket versus mid market, et cetera. And ultimately chose JP partially because of the brand name, partially because of the connection I'd made with a couple of the folks there, that sort of thing.